Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
Good Tuesday morning, South Florida. We are waking up to partly cloudy skies out there. We've got some mid and upper level cloud cover moving in off the ocean, and this morning you can see it. It's looking a bit brighter as the sun is breaking through some of that cloud cover, not nearly as gloomy as what we saw earlier this morning. Regardless, though, we are dry at Broward, Miami-Dade, and down by the Keys. There's a possibility of some isolated showers right now that are over the Florida Straits. Could approach the lower Keys later on this morning. Otherwise, we are all about the heat and humidity with 80 degrees in Deerfield Beach, 79 in Pompano Beach and Fort Lauderdale, 80 in Pembroke Pines, upper 70s in Hialeah. Good morning to Miami, a temperature of 80 degrees with an east wind at 8 miles per hour, upper 70s in Kendall and Homestead. Down by the Keys, we're talking temperatures in the lower 80s in Marathon, and for you in Key West, 80 degrees. Since things are pretty quiet here over the state of Florida, let's turn our attention to what's going on throughout the Midwest. Our friends there have been dealing with some severe weather for the last couple of days. Another round moved in yesterday throughout portions of Missouri into Arkansas and Louisiana. Now I'm tracking a system right now moving into portions of Kansas. There is a severe thunderstorm watch box in effect till 2 p.m. for this area. It looks as though if it continues to hold, there is a possibility for more severe weather for our friends throughout Joplin, Missouri, which they just do not need. High pressure in place today will provide for our wind flow to move in off the ocean. We'll see cloudy skies this morning. AM sunshine will break through later on this morning, and then PM sunshine will be the main dominant feature for us today. And we wish we could send that sunshine to our friends to the northwest. Unfortunately, there will be another round of severe weather throughout the middle portions of the U.S. Some very high risk of severe weather throughout Missouri and Oklahoma. Looking at the tropics, the surface low in the Atlantic, slow development could be possible. It right now is forecast to move to the east-southeast 10 to 15 miles per hour. Back home here, threat of rip currents at the beaches. The bay will be at a moderate chop. Even lower Keys, no advisories. Initial waters at a moderate chop. Highs today in the 90s, above average for this time of year. Lows will be in the 70s. Here's your 7 on 7. It'll stay hot and humid, and our next chance of showers will come by Friday. Have a great day, South Florida.